if I equals the square root of negative 1, then what is the value of this expression? So let's simplify this. So in the numerator, we have I plus I squared. Since I is equal to the square root of negative 1, that means that I squared has to equal the square root of negative 1 whole squared. And since we're squaring a square root, that's just equal to negative 1. Because we can think about square roots as raising something to the 1/2 power, and if we raise that to the second power, then we multiply exponents because of the rules of exponents, and 1/2 times 2 is just 1, and anything raised to the 1 power, the power of 1 is just itself. So that means I squared is actually just negative 1. Now, what about I cubed? Well, we know that I cubed is actually just equal to I times I squared, right? Because this is raised to the first power, so we would add exponents to get I cubed. And we know that I squared is just negative 1. So this here is just negative 1 times I. I cubed, we just split it into these two terms. Now let's go to the denominator. So we know from up here that I cubed is just I times negative 1. And then I to the fourth. So I to the fourth is just equal to I squared times I squared. 2 plus 2 is 4. And we know that I squared is just negative 1. So this is just equal to negative 1 times negative 1. And that's just equal to positive 1. So we can just put a positive 1 here. And now I to the fifth, that's equal to I squared times I cubed. 2 plus 3 is 5. We know that I squared is just negative 1, and that I cubed is just equal to I times negative 1 from up here. Because I squared is just negative 1, so this is just I times negative 1. So we can put that into our equation as well. So we'll have negative I times negative 1. So let's simplify this. So the numerator will have I minus 1 minus I. In the denominator we have negative I plus 1. Then these two cancel out, so we'll have plus I. We can see here that I minus I is 0, and negative I plus I is 0. So we're just left with negative 1 over 1, which is equal to just negative 1. So the correct answer choice is B.